Pero naaalala pa rin yung great love. Kaya nakikipagkita.
Kaya nga importante na isa lang yung asawa mo is yung girlfriend mo at yung girlfriend mo is iisa lang. Hindi yung madami kang girlfriend. Bakit? Kasi nga ganun eh. Ganun maiisip mo eh. Pag marami kang girlfriend, pag marami kang boyfriend, i-compare mo sila isa't isa. Sometimes i-compare mo si girlfriend number 1 sa number 2. Or sometimes i-compare mo si girlfriend number 3 ka girlfriend number 4. Kaya yung relationship mo maapektuhan kasi naiisip mo sila. Kaya nga it is best to stay with one girlfriend, and yung one girlfriend na yun ang aasawahin mo at yun ang bubuntusin mo. And this is the best way, this is the lowest chance of divorce. Itong paraan na to ang pinakamaayos. I'm not saying na walang problema. Of course, there will always be problem. Pero this way is the lowest chance of divorce na magkahiwalay kayo.
sa ex
Ay,
na
iba
great
namang
love.
ano na yun.
May ganun.
Oo,
OMG!
dating,
Alam mo,
kakilala ko rin, ganyan.
may ganun akong nalaman na parang may asawa na siya, okay naman siya, pero napangasawa niya yun, not because sobrang in love. Nabuntis niya kasi
Oh, yan ang problema. So yung reason kaya kayo nagpakasal is dahil nabuntis mo siya. It's by accident, not by choice. So yun pa lang, like yung future mo, I mean, hindi naman automatic na you're gonna have a bad future, pero it's not going in a good direction. Kasi yun pa lang hindi na maganda eh. Yun pa lang, like, kailangan kasi may choice ka. If you're gonna make your future, kailangan may choice ka. And kailangan yung choice na yun, you stick with it.
agad. So pinanindigan na
Naku,
lang.
parang may kilala akong ganyan.
Kala, baka naman sinasabi mo na naman.
Hindi.
Okay.
May alam ko talaga ang kwento ganito. So pinanindigan, mahal din naman niya. Pero napadali lang yung kasal nila kasi nagkaanak na.
I don't think na mahal niya. I mean, mahal niya because he has no choice. Iba kasi ang mahal mo because you have a choice. Ito, mahal mo to because you have no choice. Naanakan mo eh. Hindi yung ikaw, minamahal kita freely. Ito, mahal kita because I have a child with you. Pag walang child, hindi mo rin mahal. It's accidental. It's not by choice.
Oo.
So para okay na to. Tapos alam mo, minute niya yung great love niya.
Tapos,
Ano nangyari?
Kasi hindi talaga siya makausad. Na may asawa na siya at anak ha.
Hindi yung great love eh. Kung great love yun ang bubuntusin mo. Hindi iba. Bakit mo sinasabing great love mo yan? Tapos iba yung aanakan mo at iba yung papakasalan mo. Hindi mo yan great love.
Minute niya yung great love niya para lang magkaroon ng closure.
ano yung closure? Bang
Kasi,
bang.
hindi, parang gusto niya kasing malaman kung bakit ganito yung nararamdaman ko. May anak na ako, may asawa na ako, pero bakit ang laman ng puso ko, ng isip ko, yung great love ko pa din,
Hindi na nga pwede. And you should not base relationship through your feelings because your feelings are unstable. Feelings are unstable. Tandaan niyo po yan. You do not decide your future, your marriage or your relationship based on feelings. Because pabago-bago yan. Pwede ngayon, masaya ka because bago to. The relationship is new. E paano pag matagal na? Kaya nga, you choose the person you with. Whether you like it or not, you choose them. Now, if you're choosing wisely or not, that's up to you. Kung nabuntis mo, I don't think you're choosing wisely. I think everything happened by accident. Kaya importante yung mga ganito, it's big deal. It's a big deal kasi hindi mo na you can't do anything about it. Pag nakabuntis ka ng babae, automatic 'yan. Automatic sa iyo na. Tapos nanganak, automatic like wala na you're bound together. You're stuck together. And that is bad because wala kang choice. Wala kang choice. So, yun lang naman. Everybody have a good day and peace out.